Which vaccine is given at birth under the National Immunization Program? Correct answer is C. Hepatitis B. Hepatitis B vaccine is administered at birth to prevent perinatal transmission. Next question. What is the primary goal of the Universal Immunization Program UIP? Correct answer is B. Immunize all children against vaccine preventable diseases. UIP aims to protect children from diseases like polio, measles, tuberculosis, etc. Next question. Which of these diseases is not covered by the routine national immunization program? Correct answer is B. Rabies. Rabies vaccine is given post-exposure, not routinely under UIP. Next question. Which vaccine in UIP protects against neonatal tetanus? Correct answer is B. DPT. DPT vaccine protects against diphtheria, pertussis, and tetanus, including neonatal tetanus. Next question. At what age is the first dose of measles vaccine given under UIP? Correct answer is C. 9 months. Measles vaccine is administered at 9 months to provide effective immunity. Next question. Which type of immunity is provided by vaccines? Correct answer is C. Active immunity. Vaccines stimulate the body's immune system to develop active immunity. Next question. Which of the following is a live attenuated vaccine? Correct answer is A. BCG. BCG is a live attenuated vaccine used against tuberculosis. Next question. The cold chain system is essential to maintain vaccine. Correct answer is A. Potency. Cold chain maintains vaccines at proper temperatures to keep them effective. Next question. Which of these is not a route of vaccine administration? Correct answer is C. Intravenous. Vaccines are not given intravenously to avoid complications. Next question. Which vaccine is given orally under UIP? Correct answer is A. OPV. Oral polio vaccine OPV is given orally. Next question. What is the recommended storage temperature for most vaccines in the cold chain? Correct answer is A. 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Most vaccines must be stored between 2 and 8 degrees Celsius to maintain efficacy. Next question. Which of these can damage vaccines during transport? Correct answer is A. Exposure to sunlight, UV rays, and heat can degrade vaccines. Next question. Freeze sensitive vaccines should never be stored at. Correct answer is B. Minus 20 degrees Celsius. Freezing can damage freeze sensitive vaccines like DPT. Next question. A vaccine bile monitor VVM indicates. Correct answer is B. Exposure to heat. BVM changes color if the vaccine has been exposed to damaging heat. Next question. Which of these is a freeze sensitive vaccine? Correct answer is D. DPT. DPT vaccine is sensitive to freezing and should be stored carefully. Next question. Which of the following is a characteristic of Kwashiorkor? Correct answer is B. Edema. Kwashiorkor shows edema due to protein deficiency despite adequate calories. Next question. Marsamus is mainly caused by. Correct answer is B. Calorie deficiency. Marsamus results from severe calorie deficiency leading to wasting. Next question. Which organization classifies PEM into Marsamus and Kwashiorkor? Correct answer is B. IAP, Indian Academy of Pediatrics, classifies PEM based on clinical science. Next question. Acute malnutrition is defined as. Correct answer is A. Weight for height less than -2 SD. Acute malnutrition indicates recent weight loss or wasting. Next question. Which of the following is a feature of chronic malnutrition? Correct answer is C. Stunning. Chronic malnutrition causes stunned growth, low height for age. Next question. The most common cause of anemia in children worldwide is. Correct answer is B. Iron deficiency. Iron deficiency anemia is the leading cause due to poor diet and infections. Next question. Which of these is not a morphological type of anemia? Correct answer is D. Hypochromic. Hyperchromic. Hyperchromic anemia does not exist. Anemia is usually hypo or normochromic. Next question. Which of the following is a cause of megaloblastic anemia in children? Correct answer is B. Vitamin B12 deficiency. Megaloblastic anemia results from vitamin B12 or folate deficiency. Next question. In iron deficiency anemia, which lab finding is typical? Correct answer is B. Low MCV. Iron deficiency anemia is microcytic, low mean corpuscular volume. Next question. Which anemia type is associated with chronic diseases? Correct answer is B. Anemia of chronic disease. It is normocytic, normochromic anemia due to inflammation or chronic illness. Next question. Which nutrient deficiency causes megaloblastic anemia? Correct answer is B. Vitamin B12 and folic acid deficiency impairs DNA synthesis, causing large RBCS. Next question. Which of the following is a first line treatment for iron deficiency anemia? Correct answer is B. Oral iron supplementation. Oral iron is used to replenish iron stores. Next question. Which test is best to confirm iron deficiency anemia? Correct answer is A. Serum ferritin. Low ferritin confirms depleted iron stores. Next question. Which dietary source is richest in iron? Correct answer is C. Red meat. Red meat contains hemi-iron which is well absorbed. Next question. Prevention of nutritional anemia in children mainly includes. Correct answer is A. Deworming and iron supplementation. Deworming reduces blood loss. Supplements replenish iron. Next question. What is the main focus of the ICDS program? Correct answer is B. Integrated Child Development Services including nutrition and education. ICDS aims at holistic child and mother development. Next question. DOTS program is implemented to control. Correct answer is B. Tuberculosis. DOTS directly observed treatment short course ensures TB treatment compliance. Next question. IMCI strategy aims to. Correct answer is A. Manage childhood illnesses at community level. IMCI integrated management of childhood illness improves child survival. Next question. Which program promotes growth monitoring of children? Correct answer is B. ICDS. ICDS includes regular growth monitoring and nutrition education.